The maximum number of attempts reach issue on TikTok typically arise from various factors. So before we get started on the troubleshooting part, let me just give you a possible reasons or factors why you're encountering this. Okay, so possible reasons include repeated attempts to log in with an incorrect password. Second is suspicious activity such as unusual login patterns. So this kind of unusual login patterns may prompt TikTok security measures resulting in temporary access restrictions. Lastly, if there are security concerns related to the account, TikTok might impose temporary limitations to prevent unauthorized access. Now, to troubleshoot the maximum number of attempts reach issue on TikTok, here are some steps you need to consider. Okay, so you can begin by giving it time, wait for a sufficient period, usually around 24 hours, before attempting to log in or recover the account again. So this initial step is important as it allows for the reset of any restrictions imposed due to multiple unsuccessful attempts. Next is you need to ensure that you are using the correct login credentials, including the accurate password. And then next is you need to follow TikTok's recommended procedures for account recovery, such as using the registered email or phone number. And lastly, if issues persist, your final step is to contact TikTok support for personalized assistance. So this structured approach can guide you through troubleshooting the encountered issue effectively. And that's it. By understanding the potential reasons and implementing these troubleshooting steps, you can address the maximum number of attempts reach issue on TikTok effectively. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.